What's up YouTube family, welcome to my brand new video on making money online. And in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make $300 and even more than that by just referral, guys. So without further ado, let's start our video. And guys, there is a red subscribe button down below. Subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss anything. So now here guys, the step number 1 is you need to go to the Prezi.com, Sprizzy.com. And then guys, this is the website where you make your video go viral. I mean, this is the website where the different YouTubers promote their video, promote their channel to get more views and subscribers. As it is said that in this website, our platform is simple and easy to use. We put your videos in front of the right audience to ensure that your video is seen. Get big results with even the smallest budget. So guys, this website is all about promoting the YouTube channel and videos. This website is trusted by thousands and even more YouTube creators and agencies. You can see here 4.9 ratings and 479 reviews, and it is also trusted by big companies like Honda House, Discovery Institute. And guys, you do not need to make YouTube channel or videos, because what we are doing here is affiliate referral. And guys, here the Prezi provides 3 packages for the YouTubers to promote their videos. First package is starter package, and then pro package and ultimate package. And the price for the starter package is $50, for pro package is $150, and for ultimate package is $250. And guys, here we are referring to the YouTubers for the pro package, and that's cost is $150. So here guys, if you be able to refer the pro package to even one single YouTuber, then as the Prezi pays you 20%, you're gonna get $30 on a single referral. So guys, if you be able to make 10 referrals a day, then you are gonna make $300 per day just by simple referring to the people. Isn't it cool, guys? And guys, don't worry, as a bonus I will say you where you will get those YouTubers here. So guys, as you come to the bottom of the Prezi, you find here affiliate program. Click on that. The next step is to sign up. It is very easy, guys. First name, last name, email, password. I'm not a robot. And then click on I agree and then sign up now. And guys, as you signed up, Prezi says welcome to the Prezi partner program. Your application is pending and will be reviewed within few hours. Please check your email for any question we may have for you. Once approved, you will begin earning a 20% commission on all customers you refer to Prezi. And then down below here is the dashboard where you see clicks, conversion, commission every single day. Similarly, here are for last 28 days, and then commission pending approval, commission amount pending payout. And guys, here the question is where to get those YouTube creators. So for that guys, number one website is waitytalk.com. And guys, in this website you can see here different forum lists are available, and among them YouTube forums. As you can see here guys, 26.3 thousand threads are available and 364.3 thousand messages are available, guys. So guys, in this website you can also create your own forum or reply to the forum. So guys, don't worry, I'll give you the blueprint of the forum, what you need to write there. First of all guys, we need to provide valuable tips and advice for them so that they will trust us. For that, here is a blueprint. There is a few tips that you can apply today to grow your YouTube channel and get more views and subscribers. Create compelling video title, optimize your thumbnail image, provide content that provide value to them, create transcript for your videos. Here is the better way to grow YouTube channel faster, and then insert your link here. So guys, that is the first method to reach to the YouTube creators, and then you promote the different packages available here. And guys, the second step is to reply to the forums which are already posted here. So what is the reply to the forum? Don't worry, I'm gonna give you the blueprint for that too. For that, you reply to others forum post saying that, hey buddy, how are you? It seems like you are struggling with getting views on YouTube. I had a friend who was struggling like you on YouTube to get views and subscribers, but now he has 100,000 subscribers, and he told me what he was using the tool to boost his views and subscribers significantly. Not sure if you are interested in learning more about that, and then you're gonna paste your link here to refer the different packages available in the Prezi. And guys, as a bonus, I'm gonna give you the another website where you can get those YouTube creators, and that is tubebuddy.com. So guys, TubeBuddy is the another website where you can post different forums or just reply to the forums. As you click on the community and then forums. Guys, here are different forum list available, and similarly to the yttalk.com, you can also post here your own forum or reply to the other forums. You can just copy and paste the forum that I have gave you, own forum, and then reply others forum post. You can just copy and paste that. You can use that, and then you refer the packages available in the Prezi to the YouTube creators and you earn money. Guys, there is a red subscribe button down below. Subscribe the channel and be the part of the conversation, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss anything, guys. And I promise you, I will notify you whenever I upload new videos.